EPS teleclass.
Hello students, welcome to DPS teleclass. I'm Shaina. I'm here to take you a maths lesson for grade 2 students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Alhamdulillah, I am good too. Before starting our lesson, let's recite dua.
رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي رب زدني علما.
Students, let's arrange the letters correctly. I will show words to you all. What you have to do is you have to arrange it in correct ways. After arrange these words correctly, you will know the topic what we will be going to learn today. So students, did you know today's topic? Yes, well done. Today we are going to learn about money word problem. So let's today's learning intention and success criteria. Today's learning intention is we are going to learn how to solve real life scenario about money concept. And our success criteria is you will be successful in this lesson if you can show multiple ways to make an amount of money, understand some vocabularies related to addition and subtraction, and solve word problems that involve finding the total amount and then give change. Mostly we use addition and subtraction for solve money word problems. Okay, let's look at some keywords. Addition. In addition we use add, sum, all together, in all, total, and in subtraction we use subtract, left, minus, remain, and how many more. Let's finding the total. Now I am going to explain an example of find. Let's look at the question. Sana went to the shop and bought a bag for 70 rupiah and a hair clip for 5 rupiah. How much did she spend all together? Students, always to remember, you have to read the questions carefully and I'll underline the amount and keywords. So, in this question, you have to add 70 rupiah and 5 rupiah. So, always to remember, we have to add first the numbers which is in ones column. So, 0 plus 5 is equal 5. When we add the numbers into 0, the number will not change. Okay, so 0 plus 5 is equal 5, and the 10th place, here it is 7. You have to write 7. So the total amount is 75. So 70 rupiah plus 5 rupiah is equal 75. Now teacher is going to explain money left over. So this means you have to subtract. Ayan had 50 rupiah. He went to the toy shop to bought a football for 40 rupiah. How much will he have left? So in this question you have to subtract it. So you have to subtract 50 from 40. So the answer is 10. When we subtract 40 from 50, we get 10. So 50 minus 40 is equal. So let's move on to the activity. Zara bought these items from a sale shop to give gifts to the family. Bear for 40 rupiah, bracelet for 20 rupiah, and dress for 60 rupiah, shoes for 50 rupiah, and toy car for 25 rupiah, book for 35 rupiah. Zara bought a dress and a bracelet for his sister. How much did she spend altogether? The amount of dress is 60 and the bracelet is 20 rupiah. So you have to add up 60 rupiah and 20 rupiah. So in the ones column here it is 2 0. So that means 0, and the tens column here it is 6 and 2. So that means 6 plus 2 is equal 8. So the total amount is 80. She bought a shoes and book for her uncle. How much did she spend altogether? Shoes is for 50 rupiah and book is for 35 rupiah. So you have to add 50 rupiah and 35 rupiah. So in ones column here it is 0 and 5. So before also I told you that when we add any number into 0, the number will not change, right? So 0 plus 5 is equal 5, and the tens column here it is 5 and 3. So 5 plus 3 is equal 8. So total amount is 85. She bought a toy car and a bear for her brother. How much did she spend altogether? Bear is for 40 rupiah and the toy car is 25 rupiah. So you have to add 40 rupiah and 25 rupiah. So 0 plus 5 is equal 5. And the tens column 4 and 2. So 4 plus 2 is equal 6. The total amount is 65. So when we add 40 rupiah and 25 rupiah, we get 65. A Time Smart shop is selling these items at the following price. Kit Kat is for 10 rupiah, bread is for 25 rupiah, and noodles is for 15 rupiah, and bottle of Coke is for 20 rupiah, and body spray is for 45 rupiah, and the milk packet is for 25 rupiah. We want to buy a bread and a chocolate. How much money will we need altogether? Bread is for 25 rupiah and Kit Kat is for 10 rupiah. So we have to add 25 and 10. So 5 plus 0 is equal 5 and 2 plus 1 is equal 3. So the total amount is 35. We need 35 rupiah. We have 20 rupiah. We buy a noodle for one packet noodle for 5 rupiah. How much money will we receive as balance? So I have 20 rupiah. The noodles packet is 15 rupiah. So I get 5 rupiah. So 20 minus 15 is equal. We want to buy a bottle of Coke and a body spray. How much money will we need altogether? Body spray is 45 rupiah and Coke is for 20 rupiah. So we have to add 45 and 20. So 5 plus 0 is equal 5 and 4 plus 2 is equal 6. So we get 65. We have 50 rupiah. We buy a milk packet for 25 rupiah. How much money will we receive as balance? I have 50 rupiah, right? The milk packet is for 25 rupiah. So we have to subtract 25 from 50. So we get 25. This is your practice activity time. At the flower shop, the sunflower is selling 30 rupiah and the rose is selling 40 rupiah. So which note would I choose? When we add 30 rupiah and 40 rupiah together, what will be the answer? Yes, 70 rupiah. So which is the correct answer here? A or B? A. I think it is not correct. Let's look at the answer. Yes, well done. Here the correct answer is B. At the flower shop here it is the tulip. In this shop they sell tulip for 20 rupiah and the daisy for 25. So 20 plus 25 is equal 45. So which is the correct answer here? A or B? Yes, here the correct answer is A. Students, you did a great job. This is the end of today's lesson. I hope you are going to enjoy today's lesson and I hope you have got some ideas about how to solve money problems. So here it is your online task for week 13. So what you have to do is you have to read the questions carefully and answer each questions. So finish and bring this work on Wednesday 1st October. Do this work on your math notebook. Have you understood, students? I hope you understood. Thank you, students. Stay safe, stay home. Always use sanitizer. Don't forget to wash your hands frequently. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
EPS teleclass